Today we have a 56-foot Sunseeker Manhattan 2001 located in Miami, Florida. Presently for sale, January 2010. We happen to pick a day where a mechanic is on board doing regular maintenance stuff, changing fluids and everything. So we're going to have to work around him a little bit. But exterior's in nice condition, hull shines. Zodiac tender is in nice shape. Bimini's good. Stainless is good. Windows are clear. A little bit of an overcast day. Well, if that reflects in the video, I'm sorry about that. Looks like the spotlight's unattached right there. I gotta find out what's going on with that. Overall, we're looking nice. Let's go on board. Here you can see the work that the mechanic's doing. We have Caterpillar's 3412s, about 1100 hours. Kohler, I think we're 15 kW. I'm going to stick my hand down there too much. Just so you see, we'll come back and do the engine room at a better date and time. Let's go inside. So we have a nice salon, plenty of seating, starboard and port sides. Nice little TV in here, an entertainment center. We have a galley down interior, which is the preferred design for this model boat. Nice dinette, and captain's laptops here. Seating for about 8. Nice lower helm station with the Caterpillar controls, bow thruster, Furuno navnet system. And our interior stairs. Nice comfortable 6-way electronic controlled captain's seat. Lower helm station's in good shape. Carpeting has a full runner throughout the entire interior. Leather's in good shape. Again, all the windows are clear. Headliner's perfect. Let's go below. We have a queen size master forward. A little dark in here. See if I can get some lights. No lights. A head with a shower stall. Hope this is light enough. I should have checked that the lights were on first. We have port side. We have the guest head. We also have twin beds in the guest stateroom on the port. Twin beds in the guest stateroom on the starboard. Go up top. Hey Captain, I'm going to come back down. Can you turn the lights on? I forgot to do that when I was here first. Flybridge is expansive. Nice space, good seating for many, many people. Very Euro style, nice helm station. Great visibility. Bimini's in good shape. Cushions are inside so they don't get worn. Track vision, G4 units, exterior stairs. We have the wet bear and the cooler box. And storage with the trash. Let's go back down below, see the captain turn the lights on for us. You got them on, Cap?
Nope. Oh yeah, here we go. Everything's on.
All these on? Yeah. A little better lit. Anyway, we get the gist of it.
Really low lighting.
It keeps it cool. Okay, this is a lot better. And here's back to the master. Walls are good, headliner's good, windows are good. Boat's fairly clean. This carpeting in the master doesn't have the liner. You can see the liners here, up the stairs. And again, back to the salon in the aft view. Any questions, feel free to give me a call. Information's on the side of this video. Thank you.